Hey there! Today we are going to learn how to assign agents to call queues in Queue Manager. The Queue Manager page lets you manage incoming calls. Here, you can assign agents to queues, pause them, or listen to their calls. To reach this page, click Queue Manager and select any available desk, or all desks at once in your PBX Stats. By default, the Queue Manager page shows only online agents. If you need to view data for all agents, select the Show Offline Agents checkbox. To assign an agent to one or more queues, select Queue checkboxes next to the agent. Also, make sure you've clicked Apply Changes. In the pop-up window, check the changes you apply and click Save Changes to confirm them. Also, on the right, you can see the queue list, displaying which agents are assigned to which queue. Now, you are ready to start your work. Good luck!